The Omicron COVID variant sparking concern around the world tonight as countries in Europe and Africa now limit travel. Here in Michigan, the state releasing 5 days worth of COVID data today. Here's what it did to our weekly averages. Both new coronavirus cases and deaths went down slightly last week compared to the week before.
Both statewide and here in West Michigan, we are once again setting new highs for the number of COVID patients in the hospital.
And as those numbers climb, the Department of Defense is now deploying a team to Spectrum Health to help staff the hospital. News 8's Jacqueline Francis is there with the latest on their expected arrival. Jacqueline?
Ryan and Sue, the first of that team will be on the ground here starting tomorrow morning, with all 22 healthcare workers expected to be treating local COVID patients by the end of the week. Help is on the way to West Michigan. The Department of Defense deploying a 22-person medical team to Spectrum Health to help care for COVID patients. The first of its team set to arrive tomorrow.
They will help with the preparations for the remaining team to arrive on Thursday. Things like credentialing of individuals and making sure that when those providers hit the ground, we have the ability to deploy them in all of the right spaces, which will predominantly be inside of our hospital settings.
The team will include doctors, nurses, and respiratory therapists.
This is the first time we will have had federal resources inside of our hospitals.
The reinforcements come as the healthcare system is scrambling to keep up, reporting another record high today with a total of 438 COVID patients hospitalized.
Our COVID census was at the highest level it's ever been. Our staffing resources are about as constrained as they've ever been, and frankly, we're running out of spaces to continue to treat inpatients.
A second military team has been sent to care for patients on the east side of the state. Both teams will stay on the job for 30 days, though officials could decide to extend the assignment. Officials hoping more support staff will follow.
We know that there continues to be an outstanding request that the state has requested additional teams as well to be able to deploy, particularly to West Michigan, that we wait to hear if there will be additional teams that come available in the coming days and weeks.